Hey Henry, Dallin here over at Iron Chest Pest Control SEO. So this is the video that I promised I'd shoot you over at the Pest Expo. So we're going to go over a few things today, content and backlinks. So content is king. Google wants to see a lot of content across your website, and there's several reasons why. One, it's going to let them know that you're the expert in your field, and then two, it's going to give you the opportunity to get in some of the high quality and relevant keywords that the Google users are searching for when searching for your products. Right, so the main keyword here, mosquito misting system, we already know that that's your main keyword. You guys, it gets searched 1,400 times, and it's got a keyword difficulty of 17. But we got a handful of other keywords here, like mosquito sprayer system, mosquito spray system, mosquito automatic misting systems, mistings for mosquito, mosquito control systems, and mosquito repellent systems. For all these, for this niche, it comes out to roughly 3,000 searches per month, just for all these keywords. So what I would do if I was wanting to get found for these keywords and get more traffic to my website, I would come out here and I would build in more content in my website. So of course you have your header 1, and then you have your body of content. You can keep going down here and make a header 2, more content, header 3, more content, header 4, right? So looking at this tool here called SEO Minion, we can see that you guys do have it in your title, which is good. You've got it in your description, very good. And then you have your header 1. But having more and more of this content in there, again, it's going to let Google see that you're the expert in your field, and then it's going to give you opportunity to get all those other keywords in there, so you can get more likely to get found and get more traffic to your website. So for example here, this is one of our clients here, Hawks Pest Control. You can see how when we pull up this tool, again, we have in our headers, right, or in our title, in our description. So the first thing that this algorithm is going to do when it comes up to this page, it's going to read your title first, and it's going to read your description. So you want to have your 2 top keywords in your title and your 2 top keywords in your description. And then going through it, you want to have your top keyword in your header 1. Okay, your second keyword in your header 2. So for pest control, it's easy. Pest control Rancho Cucamonga CA. Header 2 is just Rancho Cucamonga pest control. So those roll around. And then again, you got your header 3s, right? More keywords. Okay, so that's how you want to have that lined out, so you can get more and more traffic to your website. And then again, you want to also have it down in your content, and you even want to save these images as keywords. So basically, you're just making this content talk to Google. That's the whole point of it, right? It's just a way to manipulate the algorithm and letting them know that you're doing those services. So that'd be my number 1 tip for you guys, is to get more content. You know, the standard for the Google for the homepage is 1,500 words of content, and then get in all of those high quality and relevant keywords so you guys can get some more traffic to your website. Okay, so next up, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to Google mosquito misting system. And so there's actually 5 spots where you can rank on Google. It's going to be 4 on this one, or 3 on this one, because there is no LSA and there is no Google Map Packs, right? Your local map packs. But you got your sponsored ad here, right? Your PPC ads. You got your organic here. And then again, you're going to have some more ads down at the bottom. Okay, so again, so looking at this area right here, okay, this is your organic traffic. It's all going to have to do off of your backlinks. So when we're talking about Google, Google's just one big popularity contest. Okay, so the more backlinks that you have going back to your website, the more relevant and authoritative that Google is going to see you in the field, right? So looking at this tool again, this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. I showed you this down in Pest Expo. So you guys can see that you got a UR rating of 24, domain rating of 22. You've got a 46 referring domains going back to 122 backlinks. You're getting found for 490 organic keywords. You've got roughly about 255 people traveling to your website every month. So again, so referring domains and backlinks, how I would explain this, let's say if I took over a website and it had 30 pages on it, and I put my link in the footer of it to say, you know, Iron Chest is managing this website, it would give me 1 referring domain, but since it has 30 pages on that website, it would give me 30 backlinks. So we're really looking at just the referring domains is what we're going after here, okay? So again, looking at these organic keywords, We can see that you guys are getting found for like mosquito misting. There's 400 searches for that every month. You guys got 5 people traveling in on that, sitting on back position number 13, right? So it's really easy to go from like page 5 to page 2, but to get over that hump from page 2 to page 1, you really got to start implementing everything that Google says you got to do, which one of those is content, and the other one is going to be the backlinks, right? So again, let's see some of these other ones. So Mister Equipment, mosquito spray systems, another two. So not really much, but you guys have been doing a pretty good job. You're not really too far behind from your competition. But looking at them, you can see their UR rating is a little bit higher. Domain ratings out of 50. They've got 325 referring domains compared to your guys' 46, right? They're getting found for 1,500 organic keywords, and they got a little over 2,000 people traveling to their website. So looking at their keywords here, there's that keyword again, mosquito misting systems. They've got 133 people traveling in on that. Mosquito sprayer system, another 110. Mosquito spray system, another 109. So I know that'd be a pretty big game changer for you guys. So lastly, again, we also went over this in the Pest Expo, but this is how you're going to want to beat these guys out. Again, if Google says it's working for them, it's going to work for you too. So these guys are really coming in here and they're kind of building out their own little backlinks and ranking their blogs and stuff, and then running links back to them. So again, if they're doing that, we can do that as well. But here's another one that I find, like yardfogger.com. Looking at this link here, they've got this guest post built out and linking back, but they've also got all these keywords in here. Mosquito control system, right? So looking at that keyword, again, there was 200 searches for that every month. And so that's how they're able to, get in some of that traffic. And mosquito misting systems, again, so see, they're building out these backlinks, they're building out these guest posts, and keeping all those relevant keywords in there. So lastly, again, was the the PPC. We showed you this. We see that there's only $3.11 for a cost per click for this keyword. It's getting searched 840 times. This is kind of the difference between these tools. Some are more, some are less. But looking at that, 311, again, 10% is going to be $31, but we could get, 15%. That's what we normally do our numbers off of, anywhere from 10 to 15% on the conversion rate for these. So this will come out to $20.73 for every time you get a lead coming in on that way. So that's a really good way to really capitalize on this opportunity for you. Anyways, Henry, I hope you found valuable information in this video. Really look forward to hearing from you and getting some feedback on what you thought and seeing how we can help you guys get some more traffic to your website.